stop and watch this video before you submit your article in the Scopus Index Journal. So I have a specific update and a special update for you, for those who are planning to submit your article in this journal. So let me just show you. This is a Scopus database. You can see here that you already know. Just scroll down a little bit. So you can see there are a few options here, right? That is what is Scopus, content coverage, Scopus blog, Scopus API and everything. In this you have to select this. Okay. So let us just go ahead and select it. So here they have a major update because Scopus will update every journal. That is, they'll be discontinuing few journals and then maintain and add new journals. So that you should see before you submit your article, because we are towards the end of this year, and of course end of this year, and this is the last week, right? So you should be very careful before you submit. So just scroll little more down. So you can see here that you have a Scopus source title list. Okay, includes discontinued source list. So let us just go ahead and check this. Okay, if you click this, it will be downloaded as a file, as an Excel file. Just click here and download it. And once it is downloaded, you can open that and see. Okay, so if you want to open, you have to right click here, and then you have to first unprotect it. Okay, so how to unprotect it? So you have to go to the properties, and then you have to unblock this. Okay, unblock this and then click apply. Then you can open this particular Excel file. Okay, this is, here comes your Excel file. So if you see this particular Excel file, you can see that the Scopus source list, you can see here, right? It's updated on October 2024. Okay, and you can see here the accepted titles are from September 2024, and they have updated on this discontinued list from September 2024. So what happens, like Scopus will update the list in the month of December to January. Okay, so they will update till December and they will release it in the month of the January. Might be not exactly on January 2nd, it may be on January 5th or January mid or towards the end. So what I suggest you is, please wait till that. Why? Because if you just go ahead in any of this journal, already existing journal in the Scopus, if you see here, you can find that it is mentioned like 2024. Okay, which is still this. So we have one more week to go to enter into the next year. So what happens if you are submitting it today? Of course, most of the people will be on holidays, okay, on vacation. If you submit today, definitely you will not receive any acceptance or any reviews by next month. Okay, so what if Scopus is releasing the new list and the journal, in which journal you have submitted, is discontinued? It may be a risk, right? So what I suggest you is wait. Okay, wait till Jan 15th. I will update you. Just watch my channel. I will update you whenever the Scopus has updated its database. So if there will be they will release another Excel file where you can see that they have updated on Jan 2025. Okay, there you can see whether you can proceed or whether you have to wait even more day. Okay, what are the journals they are accepting, what are the journals they are rejecting, what are the book series they are accepting. So everything you can know from here. So wait till that. Even if you just try to open or launch any journal to see, if you wanted to see any journal, you will get this particular time. See, for example, I'm picking up. So this is New England Journal of Medicine. Okay, let me just click this. What happens here is, what even it is showing 2024. It is there till 2024, and they will update it. Definitely this particular journal will be there because it's since 1945 they have been in the Scopus, so it will be there. Okay, so anyhow, if you are planning to submit, please hold, don't submit it now. It's a humble request for all the researchers who are planning to submit your article in the journals. So if you want to stay updated about these journal informations and about the research, how to write a research article, research paper, how to identify your problem statement for your research. So many people are sending me a comment, even I'm responding it to them. So if you have any questions, you can just go to my channel's playlist. This is my channel, Gomes Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go ahead and subscribe here. You will find a lot of useful playlist here. Okay, specifically for the researchers. Fine. So you can find a lot of useful playlists, and this one you can see here we are conducting a live session on Ask Me Anything about research coming 25th, that is on Christmas Eve, exactly at 10:30 a.m. It's a live session. If you want to join, please you can join with us and ask any questions. We are happy to assist you. I'm Dr. Gomati, and Dr. Suchitra is will be there to assist you on your questions. Okay. So here you can see there is an important playlist, that is AI webs that is all about research. Like this website will help you to understand everything. What are the various hurdles I faced when I was doing my research. So all these things I have explained here, and how to prepare for your DC meeting, how to prepare for your first DC meeting, second DC meeting, what are the documents you should be ready with, everything I have discussed here. And then if you just scroll up, you can see unpaid CS, SCI and Scopus Index Journal. Here I'll be updating about all the journals. Okay. And in the month of January, I am conducting a live webinar on AI enhanced research and strategy and tools for research. PhD, specifically for PhD. Even if you're doing a research, you can join. So this is the link. I'll be sharing this link with you, and the seats are filling up very, very fast. I will share this link here. It's a free session. If you require recording, you have to pay a minimum amount, or else if you wanted to attend, just attend and see. It's free for everyone. So you can just click here book session. So you can easily book it, and you will get a notification in your email ID as well as your registered mobile phone. Ensure that your mobile phone is WhatsApp number, so that you will get the updates in your WhatsApp number. Okay. And you can check your email ID if you have missed your mobile or numbers or your phone. You can check it in your email ID as well. So please give a proper email ID and proper phone number, so that you'll get an update. You will be receiving a reminder before a day, before 24 hours, and before a half an hour you will be receiving an update. So please go ahead and register for this particular event as well. And yes, so stay till mid of Jan, where I will be updating about all the updates in research. Okay. So just stay with me and keep watching this channel. I'll be updating all about this. So if you have any questions, anything related to research or anything related to so many people have asked for commented for the journal. Okay. So for computer science, for I think civil, for electronics, please I recommend you to please stay till January. I will be updating soon. Okay. So you will definitely get an update in the month of in the first, second week or third week of January, so that the list will be updated. So please wait till the end. Okay, you may think like, okay, Scopus, you told only in Scopus we should not upload it, right? Why can't we go for UGC or Web of Science? Please don't submit in any of these things, because you can see that part of the journals which are indexed in UGCKR is also a Scopus index journals. Okay, and part of the journals which are there in the Web of Science is also a part of Scopus. Web of Science is also there listed in the UGCKR. So I recommend you to please don't submit as of now. Get ready with all your article. If you want, take this time, like you have nearly I think 10 days. Prepare for your article. 1 or 2 articles you can be ready with. Write your abstract, get ready with your results, screenshots and everything, your algorithm, everything. Be ready with that, and whenever the window is open, please submit it immediately. Okay, I hope you got some idea from this video. Please pass this to everyone if you feel like this video will be helpful for them. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye, have a great day. I'll meet you soon next time.